Today we are doing the inauguration of the restoration of this Corona Calving Bridge. From the time it was built, there was absolutely no maintenance on this bridge, and I believe केन्ना काम करता आसतना केन्ना खंयचे बिल्डिंग कितें बांदता जाल्यार रेग्युलर मेंटेनन्स आसपा जाय. रेग्युलर मेंटेनन्स ना जाल्यार प्रॉब्लम कितें जाता की मागीर एक टायमार काम करूंक जाय तेन्ना मागीर मेजर स्टेज सर्जरी म्हूण तेश कोन्न जाता. सो इट इज लायक इफ यू सर्वीस युअर कार फ्रॉम टायम टू टायम यू वोंट सफर अ ब्रेकडावन. आयज कोणबेला आमचे पायप थिंगा आनी कलर पासून फेड जाला आनी रस्ते पासून सामके गेले आमचे. So at least this work is about 59 lakhs. It was tendered for about 78 but went down at the time of tender, and at 59 lakhs this work is being executed. So the first part of it is restoring this and maintenance of this corrosion and of the bridge and this approach. Then after this we will take up the lighting part of it, because the lighting also requires to be replaced or repaired. And finally we will also be doing the road. So this road work also is there, because you will see down here there is a hump. So look at that, they don't know, and then suddenly they bump into it. Some have fallen also and had an accident. So I think that this work will be done. I'm very happy that things are moving, because more works, as I had said last time, are in the pipeline. Ani pasun approval aile, and from time to time we will be doing those inaugurations. And I'm glad that we are in a position to move forward in our development works. And as I said, sometimes it takes time for good things, but what we see today is something which we need. Following this, आमचे मागे कोरजुवेंचे ब्रिज आहा, ते आयकॉनिक ब्रिज तुमकां उगड आसा ते इफी टायमा इनॉग्रेशन केल्लो, आतां ते सामके गेले. So that will be the next thing which we will take up, and I will assure that will also happen soon. And so right now I am grateful to the Chief Minister for having ensured that this tender was through and the work order was issued. I also thank it was done during Nilesh Kabral's time, so I have to give credit to him. He may not be minister today, but then file clear kelli. I was after him virtually every week to follow up to make sure that the file was getting cleared, and he file clear ali. And I also thank Chief Engineer, Principal Chief Engineer PWD, because he was also very proactive, and he mak sangala that we will make sure. I will tell you something. Much before elections, this bridge was still in a better condition, but our Korzhuem bridge was not in a very good condition. I mean, notice kalole. I had drafted a notice on behalf of residents, and we had given that work needs to be done because the bridge is rusting. The poles are bending and falling, and they replied immediately by saying that the estimates are being done and the works will be tendered. But it took many years now, you see. That was before election, 2021 notice kalwani. So at least now 2023 amche काम झाले. But I'm glad 10 वर्सांकित जाल ना ते at least आमी आता कोत्तात, and I promise that we will do much more works, and we will keep everyone informed, and we will make sure that आमचे लोक खुश आसतले.